Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to install Ubuntu Linux. So let's get started. Let me jump onto my lab PC. So you will need these files on your PC. If you want to install on your Windows PC, you will need Visual C++ 2019 redistributable package. You will need VirtualBox software, and you will need Ubuntu image. So I will put all these links in the description of the video. Okay, so this is the first link for the Visual C++ redistributable version. If it's not already installed on your Windows machine, you will need to install it. So you can install based on your machine specifications. So I have downloaded this one because my machine is 64-bit Windows. My operating system is 64-bit Windows. And then you will go to the VirtualBox website, and here, depending upon your operating system, you will download the software. I have downloaded for Windows hosts. And the next thing you will do is you will go on to the Ubuntu website, and here you will see two of them. I would recommend use LTS, and you press this button, the download button, and you can download this image. So here I have all these files. So first of all, I will install the Visual C++ redistributable package. So let's agree and then install, press yes, and the setup is successful. Now you can install the VirtualBox software. Press yes, press next, accept the terms, press next, and press yes, yes, and leave the defaults as it is. Next, install. Now our VirtualBox is installed. I will press finish, and it will run the software. Here you can see that this is my VirtualBox manager. So remember that we have this image, Ubuntu image, which we downloaded from this website. Okay, what I will do is I will press machine and new, and here I will give it a name. I will give Ubuntu, like my Ubuntu lab. Okay, and here you will select the ISO image, other, and I'll go to the downloads and this one. So choose the image. So next, what you will do is just press next, and here you can choose a username and the password. So I will choose like my Ubuntu, and I will use the same password, myubuntu, myubuntu. If you want to see the password, you can also see like this. Okay, so now I will press next, and here I want to give like 8 GB of RAM. It's up to you. You can use 2, 4 or whatever. I will use 8 GB of RAM, and I'll give two CPUs. Press next, and here I'm okay with this. I will press next, and here now press finish. So I don't want to power up my VM now. So what I will do is I will just stop it, because there are a few settings which I want to confirm. So here, if you come in the general tab in advanced, these are optional settings, but I like those. So choose by directional. In the system, you can use a pointing device to mouse, and the processor, okay, it's okay, we already, so just leave the defaults. For acceleration, for the display, I want to choose the video memory of 64 MB, and leave it as it is, VMSVGA, and storage leave as it is, and the network here, make sure this is bridged, okay, because you want the same IP, you want an IP address in the same subnet as your Windows machine. So here you go to the network, change adapter settings of your laptop, and look at the name of this Ethernet adapter, okay, and you can see the same name here, okay, you choose it, and then you will have the IP address from the same subnet of your Windows machine. So next, leave as it is. So now press OK. Now I would like to start my machine. Right click here and normal start. It will take some time. So I will press install. As it will take some time, so I will pause the video here. So here my Ubuntu VM is ready, and it is as you can see, it is preparing the VM. I will have to pause the video again. So my installation is complete. It will take around maybe more than 15 minutes depending on your internet connection. So after it completes the installation, it will restart the VM. So now the VM is restarting, and let's see how long it takes. I think I will need to pause the video. So here now I'm inside the Ubuntu, and I will just do next, skip for now, no, don't share the data, and finish. So here let's check a few things. So on the left bottom, you can click here on the terminal, and here if you want to zoom in a bit, so I'll check my operating system, etc os release, and here you can see some information about the operating system, the version, etc, etc. I want to check the IP address related details. You can see the IP address assigned to this machine is on the same subnet as my Windows machine. So you can come here, adapter, and you can see here it's on the same subnet because we selected the bridged mode. And you want to see the installed packages, apt list installed, and these are all the installed packages on this Ubuntu operating system. So here is our VM. If you want to check the internet, we can also open some page like google.com, and you can see that we have the internet reachability. So in the upcoming videos, I will share some more commands and some basic stuff regarding Linux operating system. I will also show you how to install Python and Ansible. So I hope you liked the video. Until the next time, goodbye.